The automotive world is experiencing a monumental shift, and hybrid supercars are at the forefront of this change. Combining the raw power of traditional combustion engines with the efficiency and environmental benefits of electric motors, hybrid supercars are revolutionizing the way we think about high-performance vehicles. In this video, we'll dive deep into the evolution of hybrid supercars, the technologies behind them, and why they are shaping the future of performance vehicles. From Ferrari to McLaren, hybrid technology is changing the game, bringing together speed, power, and sustainability. A hybrid supercar is a high-performance vehicle that uses both internal combustion engines, ICE, and electric motors to deliver power. The goal of a hybrid supercar is to combine the performance and exhilarating driving experience of a traditional supercar with the environmental benefits and fuel efficiency of an electric vehicle, EV. Internal combustion engine, ICE. The ICE provides the power and speed that supercars are known for, delivering heart-pounding acceleration and top speeds. Electric motors. The electric motor provides instant torque and smooth acceleration, while also contributing to a cleaner driving experience by reducing overall emissions. Energy regeneration. Many hybrid supercars incorporate regenerative braking, which recovers energy that would otherwise be lost and stores it in the battery, making the car more efficient and extending its range. Hybrid supercars represent the future of performance, combining traditional power with cutting-edge technology for a greener and more thrilling driving experience. The demand for hybrid technology in supercars is driven by several factors. While supercars are traditionally known for their raw power, the modern world is pushing for a more sustainable approach to high-performance driving. Hybrid technology addresses several needs. Environmental impact. As concerns about climate change and carbon emissions grow, hybrid supercars offer a cleaner alternative by reducing the overall emissions produced by high-performance vehicles. Fuel efficiency. Hybrid systems improve the fuel economy of supercars, allowing them to drive longer distances while consuming less fuel, which is important for both track days and long-distance journeys. Regulations. Increasingly strict environmental regulations are driving car manufacturers to incorporate hybrid powertrains into their supercars to meet global standards without sacrificing performance. Hybrid technology in supercars allows manufacturers to push the limits of performance while meeting environmental standards and offering improved fuel efficiency. Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Ferrari's first plug-in hybrid supercar, the SF90 Stradale, is a game-changer. With a combined 986 horsepower from its V8 engine and 3 electric motors, the SF90 Stradale offers blistering performance and acceleration. It can reach 0-60 mph in just 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest hybrid supercars on the market. McLaren P1. The McLaren P1 is one of the early pioneers in the hybrid supercar segment. With its 727 horsepower V8 engine and a 177 horsepower electric motor, the P1 offers hypercar performance and exceptional handling. It also uses a regenerative braking system to increase efficiency while maintaining performance. Porsche 918. Spider. The Porsche 918. Spider is a masterpiece of hybrid engineering. With a combined output of 887 horsepower, this car can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.6 seconds. The 918 Spider combines performance with efficiency, offering both track capabilities and an impressive electric-only range for city driving. Lamborghini Sián FKP37. Lamborghini entered the hybrid world with the Sián FKP37, a hybrid hypercar that uses a V12 engine combined with an electric motor. It produces 819 horsepower and features cutting-edge technology, including an electric supercapacitor for energy storage, instead of a traditional lithium-ion battery. These hybrid supercars represent the pinnacle of performance, where power, speed, and efficiency come together in perfect harmony. The performance of hybrid supercars is nothing short of extraordinary. By combining traditional internal combustion engines with electric motors, these vehicles offer several performance advantages. Instant torque. Electric motors deliver power instantly, resulting in faster acceleration. Hybrid supercars like the Ferrari SF90 Stradale can achieve 0 to 60 mph in just 2.5 seconds, thanks to the instant torque from the electric motors. Improved handling and stability. The addition of electric motors allows for better power distribution across the vehicle. This improves overall handling, cornering ability, and stability at high speeds, which is crucial for high-performance driving. Enhanced track performance. Many hybrid supercars are equipped with track-focused systems such as active aerodynamics, dynamic suspension, and advanced braking systems. These features help hybrid supercars perform just as well, if not better, than their gasoline counterparts. Hybrid supercars offer exceptional acceleration, handling, and stability, ensuring they deliver a thrilling driving experience without compromising on performance. While hybrid supercars are known for their incredible performance, they are also helping lead the way towards a more sustainable future in the automotive industry. These vehicles strike a balance between performance and eco-consciousness. Reduced emissions. By incorporating electric motors, hybrid supercars produce fewer emissions compared to traditional sports cars. While they still use combustion engines, they offer a significant reduction in CO2 emissions and improve fuel efficiency. Energy recovery. Most hybrid supercars are equipped with regenerative braking systems, which capture energy during braking and convert it into electricity to recharge the battery. This helps to maximize the car's energy efficiency. Eco-friendly materials. Manufacturers of hybrid supercars are also focusing on using sustainable materials in their construction. From lightweight carbon fiber to more eco-friendly production processes, these cars are designed with sustainability in mind. Hybrid supercars prove that it is possible to have a high-performance vehicle that also takes the environment into consideration, delivering both speed and sustainability. The future of hybrid supercars looks incredibly bright, with new technologies on the horizon that promise to further enhance their performance, efficiency, and environmental friendliness. Solid-state batteries. Traditional lithium-ion batteries are being replaced by solid-state batteries, which are lighter, faster to charge, and have higher energy density. These advancements could significantly improve the performance and efficiency of hybrid supercars. Fully autonomous driving. Some hybrid supercars may soon feature autonomous driving capabilities. This technology will allow drivers to enjoy the benefits of automated driving, while still having the option to take full control for a more immersive driving experience. Advanced regenerative systems. As battery technology continues to evolve, hybrid supercars will likely feature even more advanced regenerative braking and energy recovery systems, further improving fuel efficiency and overall performance. The future of hybrid supercars will see even more innovations in energy efficiency, performance, and sustainability, ensuring that these vehicles remain at the cutting edge of automotive technology. Hybrid supercars represent the future of high-performance driving. They combine the thrill and excitement of traditional supercars with the benefits of electric technology, offering unmatched acceleration, handling, and fuel efficiency. As the automotive industry moves towards more sustainable practices, hybrid supercars provide a glimpse into the future of eco-conscious performance. With brands like Ferrari, McLaren, and Lamborghini leading the charge, hybrid supercars are here to stay. They prove that performance and sustainability are not mutually exclusive. The future of driving is green, fast, and incredibly exciting. Hybrid supercars combine performance, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology, making them the perfect vehicle for the modern enthusiast who wants it all.